welcome back to part 2 of our new SEAT Ibiza rebuild. I call it a rebuild because tonight we're going to start actually stripping down the engine. So we're going to take off most of the timing parts that need to be took off, and we're going to be taking off the cylinder head cover. And well, can't wait, so let's get into it. What are you doing here?
Right, I'm marking the belt up, and when we put the new one on, we'll mark it the same, and we know what's going on in the right place.
Okay.
Before we mark it, then we know. Boom. Mark on the belt needs to go between them two teeth, yeah? So when we come to do the new one, it's going to go right back in the right place, yeah?
Yeah.
It makes sense.
Yep.
Right.
So what can we do now, Dad?
So now we need 6mm Allen key.
Right.
You put in that little hole there in the tension, it's 6mm I'm saying it is. So you take the tension off the belt and take the belt off.
Okay.
6mm Allen key, Harry.
Okay, we're going to do that now, so. So do I put it like tighten it?
You're probably better be shooting down there.
That's what I'm doing. There we go. Belt number 1 officially off. Do we need to take this one off as well? Yeah. Feel that over.
Nice. The bit you've been waiting for.
You got to announce it to everyone.
Right. Next, we're going to have to take the manifold off, and as you can see, the bolts are rather rusty. So we're going to have to try and clean them up a bit first. We're going to have to try and clean them up a bit first before we
try and take it off.
Yeah. Hopefully we won't break one in there.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
With me, trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m.
Okay, so now we've done all that, now hopefully the bolts are going to come straight off, so let's give it a go. Oh, that's what we love to see, that.
Almost too easy.
Almost too easy.
Alright, check them all.
So, the alternators in the way, so we're going to figure out a way to get this bolt. We're going to take them all off, and before we do the big reveal, we'll get back to you. Say that one more time.
Take the cover off now.
Yeah.
Get the
Now,
on the head.
it is time. We're going to take the rocker cover off. Ready? Oh, that's a few rocker arms loose. Oh, they're not meant to be loose.
Oh no.
Oh no. Well, I mean, 1, 2. There and there.
That's not great.
No.
Not great at all.
Alright.
So next is head bolts.
Head bolts.
Head bolts. Alright.
So. All we've been waiting for. We're going to take off the rocker head.
No.
I forgot what it's called.
The head.
I've been saying the head all along and you've been going no to rocker head.
No, yeah, because now we're on the head. Right.
You know, we're going to take the head off.
Right.
Let's do it.
Be careful, straight off.
Yeah. Oh, tell me. Yeah. Okay. So.
Oh, they don't look great. That one looks alright. That one looks it.
So this is the head gasket, isn't
Yeah,
it?
that can come off.
And this.
Yeah, well, don't pull it.
What?
Put off the thing first. Right.
So is this what's caused us all our issues?
Yeah,
This is what has caused us all our issues.
apparently.
It's very bent. So that is the end of today's episode. We've got it all apart now, and everything's looking good. You know, no issues are looking, and
It's had no water in the engine.
yeah, exactly. No water, anything's actually went in the engine. Everything's looking pretty clean. So it's been a good episode. I can't wait for the next one where we start putting it back together. And well, thank you for watching. Hope you've had a good time.